Hello viewers, today we are going to look at how to create a software that can calculate salary using MS Excel. Now let's go to our Excel sheet. This is our Excel sheet, and we have normal rate, overtime rate, normal hours per week, pay, tax deduction. Then we have facilitators. We have James, Ethel, Cobos. Then on Monday, James worked 9 hours. On Tuesday, James worked 6 hours. 9 hours. Thursday, 6 hours. Friday, Ethel worked 9 hours. Wednesday, Kubov worked 4 hours. Now, these are the total hours that they work. If you add everything here, you get the total hours. So look at the formula you have there. Alright, I added everything here. I didn't want to use the sum, but to use this because I don't want anybody to put a different not value. For instance, these are numerical values. I don't want a text here. So if you put a text there, let's say A, this one will come. Alright. Okay, let me insert this one. What was the value? 5, no? It was 9. Okay, now then we have the overtime hours. Overtime hours, it means the maximum number of hours you are supposed to work per week is 35. Per week is 35. So any other extra hour you do is overtime. So if you check James, he worked only 35 hours. He worked 35 hours. So overtime is 0. But this one worked 36. So overtime is what? 1. This one worked 34 less. He didn't reach the maximum number of hours supposed to work per week. So you see that the overtime is what? -1. What is the trick? The trick is this is Gene 6. Alright, so I've protected the sheet. This is Gene 6. Where is Gene 6? Gene 6 minus J2. Where is J2? This is J2 minus that one. So this one gives you overtime hours of 0 because J2 is 35 minus what we have in this cell, which is also 35, so it gives you 0. Alright, like that. So now if I change the number of rates here, it's going to affect everything. Let's see. Let me change this one to 80. Check this one, the normal salary or the net salary, 2,100. Let me change this one to 80. You see that now it's 2,240 rand. So if I change the value, it will change 75. Any of this value, if you change this one, it's also going to change. It's 2,100. If I change this one to, let's say, 30 rand, it's still 2,100 because it's close. Let me give it a break for the overtime. Check the overtime here. The overtime let's check here. All right, now let's check here. If I put, or if I insert 60 rand, I'm going to have this one. That's how over time you see that it has changed. Okay, what is the original value there? It was 36. Okay, now let's come to number of hours per week. It's 35. Our value is this one. Okay, let me just change it to 33. You see that it has also changed. Everything is changed here. So we'll move back to 35. Okay, percentage also. If I change this one to, let's say, 12%. Okay, the percentage I've already what do you call protected it. Let me unprotect that one. Let me unprotect. Okay, now if I want to unprotect this, I click protect sheet, then you type in whatever password you use. You may decide not to use password, but that one will be another lesson. Okay, so here I'm unprotecting this, so I right click, format cell, you see protection, lock. I don't want to lock that one because I want to type there. So I have removed it. Then I'm going to protect the sheet again. You see that I tried to type there, I couldn't type there. So let me protect it. I won't give it any name, or I won't put any password there. So now I'm going to press here, change this one to 11. Now if I change it to 11, it's 2,336 rand 25 cents. But it was 2,100 rand. Let me change it back to 20. So if I change it back to 20, I'm going to have my 2,100. So all of this, they are linked to what we have here, this template. So we are going to learn how to do this. Yeah, I know you can do it. Okay, let's see what to do. First, I'm going to open a new sheet. Let's name it. You see, rename. Let's name it salary. I like mentioning salary because we all need money. Okay, so time sheet. Let's call it time sheet. Time sheet. And let me expand it a little bit. Then I want to see the border. No, is it the border? Okay, let me go to page layout. Alright, and for me to see the grid, the print grid. So here, I know my worksheet must end at this side, and it's too small. So what am I supposed to do? You go to orientation. You see that you have portrait and landscape. Click on landscape. Now I'm going to write this time. I'm going to change the font size to, let me change the font size to something bigger, like that. Then let me bold it a bit. Then I can give it a color. I don't like this one. I like this nice color. Maybe this one is nice. Let's take it like that. But yours should be better than mine. Okay, I'm now going to merge. everything. That's the top. So I'm merging everything. Format. I don't want this one, this protection. I want to merge. So you come to alignment, merge cell. Okay, let me merge it to this side also. I should have even done it once. Format, then merge cell. I've merged everything one. Let me center it, then make it bigger. Time sheet here is too big. Do it again. At least I have my time sheet here. Okay, I can change this one to salary. I can change it to everything. That will make people easily understand the template. Okay, now let's move to the next. I'm moving to the next cell. I'm going to create normal rate. Let me use capital normal rate. Okay, normal rate. Rank 55,00 per hour. So every hour the person works gets 55. So if he works 2 hours, you multiply the 55 by 2. 3 hours, you multiply it by 3. Like that. So here, what am I going to do? I'm going to merge this one also. Now you know how to merge, né? You right click, then you go to, let me do it again for you to see. You right click, you go to format cell, then alignment, then merge. You click OK. Okay, I want to align right and make it bold. Oh, it's nice. Let me give it a color. No, let's make use of the shading. Okay, let's give it this shading. This one nice. Yeah. Okay. Then as I've given the shading, let's this one be like that. Then I'm giving this one also a color. Where to type? You are supposed to type here. Alright, let's give it a color. Let me put give it a format. What do I want? Number, then currency, because I'm going to put money there. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places. The symbol is what? R. Red. So if I put 75 here, the R must come by itself. Alright, so we are going to type here. We are not going to type here. So what am I going to do? I will right click, format, then I'm going to protect that sheet. It's already on protection, so it's fine. Okay, then the next one, overtime. Overtime, what is overtime? Overtime, we have 36, comma 00, that's 36 rand per hour. Every hour the person works, he gets 36 rand. Yeah. Then what am I going to do? Let me use the same size for that one. How do I determine the size? I right click, I move to row height.